Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. So Cardano, I told you already in the last few videos that I didn't believe that the wave 4 here was finished, and also that the wave E here in orange wasn't finished. And last video it looked a bit like that we could have had that wave E complete. Confirmation for that would have been obtained had we made a lower low below 44.3 cents. Didn't happen, yeah, never had confirmation. Therefore, we had to assume it wasn't complete. You always want to see confirmation by price action as well. So I gave you two key levels here, 44.3 and 44 cents, for the confirmation that the triangle is breaking to the downside, because this is what we are waiting for here in this scenario. This head and shoulders to work out. Based on an Elliott wave count, we have here in purple a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5 to the downside. We are currently, in my opinion, still in this wave 4. This wave 4 has taken the shape of a triangle. This is still my opinion, still my view. What is not possible anymore, that this last leg here was a triangle. This is what I showed you earlier this morning. It looked like that the wave E of the triangle, so you have here within the wave 4 an Elliott wave triangle in an A, B, C, D, E wave, where you would expect the triangle to be broken to the downside, because it always breaks out to the opposite side of the wave E. How high the wave E goes is still not very clear. I already told you here that the wave E was only very short, therefore we would expect an extended wave E to the upside or just longer sideways. And a possibility was here to finish the wave E at 46 cents. That was earlier today. And again, I told you these key levels that need to be broken to be certain that this indeed was the wave E high. Now the breakout again to the downside never happened. So we're looking for a lower wave E. How can we now make this work from an Elliott wave point of view? And because this wave here moved above this wave, it invalidated basically the wave E triangle. So the overall triangle is still in play, no change here. It is just how we count the wave E which is changing, and that can give us a clue what will happen next. My understanding is now that to make this work, that we saw here from the wave D low in orange, a W wave, a wave X to the downside, and that we are now in the wave Y. Okay, so that wave Y could be finished. It would then, the wave Y would finish, so the wave E of the triangle consists of WXY. Okay. The wave Y could already be finished. Personally, I don't think so. That's just my view. I don't think it's finished yet. It could be, yeah, but then we would need to move below that 44.4 cent level for confirmation. Below that, I think we can be certain that here wave E is finished, and then to break out of this overall triangle in orange, we would need to move below 43.5 cents. That would be confirmation, and then below 42.2 cents. That would be the definite confirmation to break below the wave B low. Until then, we can look at higher in this possible wave Y, because there's two possibilities. First possibility is wave Y is already finished and we're heading down now. We'll take all these lows out and will develop impulsively to the downside. That is the more bearish version. The short-term, more bullish version would be that the wave Y, that this here was only the wave A in the wave Y, because a wave Y is a three-wave move. So you would see a wave A, a B, and a C. My view is this is more likely, but we don't know until we see a reaction here. So this we can see this as primary, yeah, that the wave Y will go higher as we've taken out the previous swing high anyway. But if we go below the wave X low, which is again at 44 point, just double check that, 44.4 cents, then I would be very certain that this was already the peak here at 47.6 cents. If we don't make a lower low here, then the focus needs to be on higher in the wave Y, and I can give you a target level for that as well. Target would be to complete wave Y, two targets. First target 48.3, second target 50.3. the 1.618 extension. So currently looking at higher prices in the wave E as we've taken out that swing high, and as I believe we would see here a 3-wave move, a clearer 3-wave move before we then head down. So focus still on downside. This is the bearish scenario for ADA. There is a bullish one as well, but for the bullish one to make it much more likely, we want to see price action above the wave A high here, above 54.7 cents. Until we go above that level, for me, the primary expectation is here further downside very clearly for ADA, because we just haven't seen significant price action to the upside. The market is still too weak and we have a massive head and shoulders pattern here on the chart. Yeah, and that is currently my view about ADA. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.